180 thousandths is pretty standard for permanent mold. I would say that's your minimum on most cases. And when you're looking at designing for permanent mold, or really almost any casting that is gravity fed, is you want to consider having consistent wall thickness for your casting, and then looking at maybe machining or polishing to get down to your exact wall thickness you want. Because if you have too much variance in your wall thickness, you'll see it either freeze out in certain areas and you'll get non-fill. So it just makes it a little bit harder for it to cast if you require a lot of different wall thicknesses throughout the casting. So
to Rachel's point, if you're casting thick sections, it's going to be it's going to create different issues as you try to cast that part. So really our goal in stating the wall thickness here isn't to say, hey, you know, your part's too thin or too thick, we need to get it in this direction. It's, hey, we want to set this up and be able to cast good product.
Yeah. And
then we can go either direction. You know, if you need it thicker, we can design it thicker. If you need to machine it down, we can machine it down. And to that point, I think the other offset, if you're looking at a product, is the cost impact, right?
Yeah.
So we can design and we can, you know, like we said, we can machine it to a thinner wall. Obviously, adding machining or secondary operations creates additional cost. If it's not absolutely needed, let's design it out and let's get a casting that fits for both the process and the end goal in mind.